This is Senior Product Manager Derek Wood welcoming you to another Infrascale how-to video. In today's video, we're going to go through a real quick explanation of how to get access to your appliance's primary or secondary management console. To do so, we start in our dashboard. So you go to Dashboard, then Manage, select the Appliances button. Then we're going to see a list of all the appliances that are currently registered to this admin login. So to get your appliance registered, it's part of the first setup step is you enter your dashboard credentials when you set up the appliance, and then it'll appear here. On the left side, we'll see our primary appliances, and it'll tell us if they're virtual or physical. And it'll give us some information about the storage on them. On the right side, we'll see the secondary appliance or the cloud replication location. So first, we can select Browse and Recover underneath one of the primary appliances. This is the 2700 series. And here we'll see that we are in our Appliance Management console. It'll give us the version number up top, and it's set with the cloud replication mode. So we go to our dashboard, we see our different alerts. The primary appliance is where you're going to set up all your backup jobs. So if you want to add new machines, as far as adding new clients, so that you can run full backups, incremental backups, DR backups, connect to your Hyper-V or your VMware environment, this is where you would do that. So now let's talk about the secondary appliance. So we go back to our dashboard, and on the right side, we select Browse Recover in the cloud. Now here we see at the top, same thing, Management Console, but then it says specifically secondary. So this is your secondary replication point. So this is where you would come if you wanted to cloud boot one of your backup jobs that you have running. We can see how many recovery points we have and the size of the VMs. And then we have our dashboard overview. So the secondary appliance is where you would come for cloud boot. That's where you would also come to restore from your secondary back to your primary. And that's where you would come into the secondary management console. So for the most part, all your setup and management needs as far as what's being protected and the frequency of that and all those settings you do in your primary. And your secondary is where you would go for recovery if you couldn't recover from your primary for some reason. Say, for instance, if you're spilling over to the cloud, then you would have data on your secondary appliance that you won't have on the primary location. And then you'd be able to recover those pieces of data, machines or files or whatever it is, back to your primary. And that's it for accessing your primary or secondary appliance management consoles. For more information, visit infrascale.com or check out our YouTube channel for more self-help videos.